Hi guys, so hopefully you have sliced up your web page on Photoshop and now we are ready to open it in Dreamweaver. So I'm just going to type in here Dreamweaver. Not very well. Dreamweaver is a web design software by Adobe. It's one of my favourite pieces, and we're actually going to be using Dreamweaver to create our template. Now a template is the same as on PowerPoint when you change your designs. Basically you are saying how each one of your web pages will look. By doing it on Photoshop, we know that we are going to already have a table structure in place which will hold all of our graphics together. May take a while to load, just be patient. Okay, we're going to click on File, Open. Upper for Whisper and Buttons. Okay, so now it's open. So on here I can clearly see the different parts have been broken up. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to do is page properties. This is where you can change your background colour, so I want my background colour to match that. You don't have to, but it'll make it a bit easier. And then apply and OK. So that's me just changing the background colour. Okay, now these are, so the next thing we'll do is click in this middle bit and just press delete. Your nose is going to get really small and you're going to panic. Click in between there and then you've got the height here, and I'm just going to put 500. So right there I have made that space. Now I'm also going to make it go to the left and go to the top. So you'll see now this little pointer bit has gone to the top, so that's where I'm going to change things. Okay, so now I'm going to go File and Save as Template. Now what I'm doing here is I'm actually saying, right, this is my design. This will be my design. This isn't for you to put stuff in and to start putting your images in. This is a web page. So I'm just going to put Save as Template. Now it's going to ask you here to actually route your folders. So I'm just going to click on Manage Sites, New Site, and I am just going to find my way back to, so this is me finding where I solved everything. Where I saved. Upper 4, come on, there we go, select. And I'm just going to call this Buttons and Whisper. Now I'm afraid you will have to do this each time, but you'll get used to it and it'll take you seconds. Done. Your nose will come here. So I'm going to call this Whisper and Buttons Temp. Reason being is it's really easy sometimes to forget what is your template and what are your actual web pages. So we're just getting that sorted out now. Save. Give it a minute. Update links, yep. Now you'll see here it's actually created a template folder for it to go in. Okay, Miss Sharp is not sleepy. So this is my template. Now what I'm going to have to do here is I need to say to Dreamweaver what parts am I allowed to change while I'm making my web pages. So we're going to go, 1 minute, no, that's code split design. We're going to be working design view. So in insert template objects editable region, and we're just going to call this main. Now please make sure that you have clicked in this area first and click OK. So this is actually where you're able to change things, okay? So this is where you're going to be able to change your different parts and add all your information. So I'm just going to go File, Save. And well done. You have just created your template.